Hello everyone, it's LeetCode 36 problem, the valid Sudoku. It's a medium problem and it's going to be to validate the Sudoku if it's valid or not. So we can say that it's a valid Sudoku if its row and column only have 1 to 9 digits and not repeat of them, and also the box cannot have a digit multiple time. So those are the three rules, and here empty cell is presented by a dot. So basically we need to loop through the each cell and check if in row if there are any duplicate, and also in cell if there are any duplicate, and in the box if there are any duplicates. So actually the row and column part is pretty simple. Here we only need to keep remember about the empty cell, and the box is going to be tricky. So let's see. Actually this part is for row and column. I have resetted the row column array in every parent loop, and also I have used nested loop as its two-dimensional array. And if there is not empty cell, and if it's already presented in the array, then I return false, and at the end of the checker I have appended the value into that array, into row array and column array. And for box, actually we can see that there are 3 boxes in every row, so we can define if it's have reminder of 0, then we can define a new box with 3 array. And the index is going to be actually it has 9 index, but we want 3, so we can actually do a trick and get only 0, 1 and 2 here, and then we'll get the index for first one, second one and third one, and by that we can do the same checker for the 9 boxes. And if we pass through the all cell, then we can return its true or the valid Sudoku. Okay, let's run with the test cases, the 2 example test cases. Okay, let's submit this one. Thank you.